KPS Global provides replacement doors that are manufactured to fit any brand of walk-in on the market. Our custom doors overlap the panels of your existing walk-in to ensure proper fit and seal, and are made to order with a variety of options. Ordering your new replacement door is easy. With just a few questions, our team of experts will recommend the right solution for your project. KPS Global offers 3 door kit options, so you can select what works best for your replacement door needs. Our door with outside face frame kit is our most popular choice. The outside face frame helps provide stability and protection to the exterior side of the door. Our door with outside and inside face frame kit adds additional support and protection with face frames for both the exterior and interior sides of the door. Our door with full retrofit kit is ideal for when you need to create a new door opening, or if you have an existing door opening where structural issues such as sagging or corrosion are a concern. KPS Global's in-house designers will create a high-quality door that is customized to your exact specifications. As a dedicated door manufacturer, once your design is approved, we'll quickly build and ship your replacement door kit. Contact KPS Global today to order your brand new replacement walk-in door. Don't forget, KPS Global also provides replacement door parts, including hardware, gaskets, sweeps, heater wire, jam guards, and more.